Hello everyone, welcome to Divakar Education Hub, and a new course is going to start by 20 April, from 20 April, that is Telangana State Eligibility Test, and this test is for the assistant professors. You can read the notification, the video has been uploaded. The exam is actually going to held on 5th, 6th and 8th July, so almost 3 months are there, and these videos will boost up your preparation, so you can join our video online lectures. In these lectures you will be provided the full-fledged course, and by joining this course you will get the benefit that your exam will get cracked and you will be cleared. So if we can help you in any way, so you can write down in the comment section. And if you want to join this course, these are not so costly, very affordable. You can visit the site to see every information, to get every information, and this video will help you to get the idea that how will you be taught in the lectures. So I'm going to teach you a very basic relevant theory about Walter's model, and last year also in the exam July 18 UGC-Net Commerce, this question was asked that 100% payout ratio belongs to which model. So that was Walter's model, so that's why I'm preparing, or I'm just presenting you this theory. And I also want to tell you that this topic is very important, because if you have seen or if you have read the notification, so the total course and the total syllabus is same as per the UGC-Net syllabus. So you will get benefited, or you can join the course by 20 April or before 20 April, because the course is very flexible, and there will be the sessions, there will be the doubt sessions. So if you will have any doubt, you can also write down in the comment section, that will be sorted out. So let's start. This Walter's model is basically related to the dividend policy, and Professor James E. Walter argued that in long run, if the business is going for a long period of time, is running for a long period of time, then the prices of shares will surely reflect the present value of expected dividends. Basically what happens that in future we are going to, or a company is going to pay the dividends to the shareholders, and what they are expecting now, how much they cost if we calculate the value at right now at the present time, so they will be reflected, or we can calculate this through the share prices, through the prices of the shares. Because if the prices of shares are high, then obviously their expectations will be high. So retentions influence stock price only through their effect on future dividends. This line is also very true, that if we retain some profit for the future purpose or for anything, then this also affect the prices of stocks, because we have to pay the dividends in future, that how much we earn. And this is also an contradictory point between the equity shareholders and preference shareholders, because preference shareholders can get the dividend on regular basis, but same is not with the equity shareholders. So if we retained our earnings, then this will affect the prices of the stocks, and so if the prices of stocks will get affected, then obviously the dividends will also get affected. So Walter has formulated this and uses this dividend to optimize the wealth of the equity shareholders. So Walter, or James E. Walter, Professor James E. Walter, he suggested that the dividend should be used to increase or to optimize the wealth of the equity shareholders. So he assumed, because assumptions are very important, and this was the question, that 100% payout ratio is according to which model. So the question was that which one of the following statement is false, and the question is, the second option was, actually I don't know, I don't remember exactly right now, but I think second or third option was that according to Walter, the optimal payout ratio for a growth firm is 100%. So is it true or false? So that was basically false, because he don't believe in 100% payout ratio, but the optimal payout ratio is 100%. So 100% payout or retention, these were the assumptions assumption of Walter's model. Then internal financing, obviously internal financing, and they should not be financed from the outsider. So internal financing is an assumption of Walter's model. Then constant return in cost of capital, and constant earning per share, constant dividend per share, and there will be infinite time. There will not be any particular period of time, but there will be infinite period of time. So this is the formula that how will you get the price of your equity share. Just get your dividend per share, and you have to add the rate of return. This is basically the internal rate of return, and this will be multiplied with the difference between the earning minus dividend. So if from the earning we subtract the dividend, then we get the retained earnings. So these retained earnings have to be multiplied by the rate of return, and just add this to the dividend and divide this with the cost of capital. So you will get the price of your equity share. So this price of equity share will help a lot in calculating the value of the firm and in maximizing the wealth of the equity shareholders. Now, if the rate of growth is greater than cost of capital, for example, rate of growth is 20% and cost of capital is 15%, and for example, let's take E is equals to 4. So what would be the formula? How will you solve this? Just revise this formula what we have done earlier. So D plus R bracket में E minus D divided by K. So D is basically the R, so D is 4, and here D is 2, so plus 0, then it is 0.20, divided it by 0.15, divided by 0.15, divided by 0.15. So if you will solve this, you will get the values 26.67 and 31.11. So this helps that if dividend is rupees 4 and if dividend is rupees 2, then how much this affects the value and the price of the share. So this is the formula: D plus R bracket E minus D divided by K and whole divided by K, that is cost of capital. Okay then, so just solve this by yourself. Just have a paper and pen, so solve this. This will help a lot. Now if it is a normal firm, then R equals to K, that is internal rate of return, equals to cost of capital, and you put the same formula, so it answer would be same. And if it is declining firm, so internal rate of return is 10% and cost of capital is 15%. So we have a criteria that if the internal rate of return R is greater than K, so rate of return is more than cost of capital, means we are earning more and our cost is less, so it will be a growth firm. And if they are equal, so it is a normal firm, and if these are less, so internal rate of return is less than cost of capital, it means the firm is declining. There is a need to do something. Alright then, so thank you so much. This video is a demo video. If you want to avail the full video, then you can join our video lectures, our online lectures, and this will help you in cracking your exam. You can go in the description box or you can also call on the number. You will get the full details, and the course is very affordable. You can join because only 3 months are left, so don't waste your time. Thank you so much.